Welcome back to Cocina y Soy Season 2. This is Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making Arroz al Horno.
Salt the meats to lock in the moisture on both sides of the pork ribs and the bacon. Grate one of the tomatoes, put it aside, cut the other two in half. For the garlic, just peel the exterior cape of its skin, peel and cut the potatoes in thin but not too thin slices. Heat the chicken broth at low temperature with a pinch of saffron to bring its color and its floral taste. Cover the bottom of a frying pan with a thick layer of olive oil in medium heat. Once hot, add the garlic. Now the ribs. Start by cooking them fat side down. Add the bacon. Sear both sides. Once cooked, remove the garlic, bacon, and the ribs from the frying pan and into the crock pot. Cook the black sausage until seared. Cook the potatoes for 3 minutes on each side. Flash cook the tomato on the cut side down. Pour in the grated tomato and a sprinkle of pimentón de la vera. And let it absorb all the flavors left in the pan. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes until all the water has been evaporated. Turn off the heat, add the rice, and mix with the oil. Bring the rice to the crock pot and cover with the broth and the chickpeas. For a traditional placement, the garlic goes in the middle, the black sausage, tomato across each other, fill in between with potatoes. In a preheated oven to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, place the crock pot inside for 30 minutes.
And here it is, our Arroz al Horno, a recipe from my hometown to your home. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.